Hey, I guess I look very motivated now. We just did the checkout, so yeah. I suppose no one is happy to go back home, huh? We planned from the very beginning to review some Maltese foods and pasticcio and stuff like this, you know, like stuff you buy from the bakery, and Chisk beer, which we have drank. We have drunk quite a lot during the trip. But there's another drink from Malta, a soft drink called Kini, that we would like to review. Okay, let's check the bottle. To be honest with you, I just smelled it earlier and it's awful, but I haven't tasted it. She had.
It's the worst thing ever.
It's the
I
worst. Really?
don't want to ever try this.
You're so complainy.
I'm complaining.
Okay, it's just
This is really bad.
just drink.
It smells like medicine.
No, that's not necessarily bad.
Ugh. You cannot. You cannot.
I think we should rename the channel Complainy Traveler.
Ugh.
Complaining with Gabriel all the time.
Yeah, I'm pretty complaining.
Yeah, I think it would be fun, you know, a concept channel. Like, you go to the most beautiful places in the world, and then you're like, oh god damn it, this is awful. Like, oh, look at the sea, so ugly. Nah, okay. So this is beautiful. I hope we get to swim a little bit. I want to taste the Kini.
No, you don't want to. I want to
I still
hold
do.
it.
Really? Okay. Okay, it smells really, really bad, like cough syrup. So if you like cough syrup, maybe you're gonna love Kini Classic. Orange flavor and aromatic herbs.
Ugh. It's since 1952 people drink this.
Bittersweet refreshment.
Refreshingly disgusting. You liked it?
It's the worst thing I've ever tried.
It's really bad, huh?
If you're undecided whether you want to vomit or not, have some Kini. It's gonna clean everything. Okay, I'm sorry, guys from Kini, for the bad review, but honestly, I don't think I can. Not only not finishing, I don't want another zip. Like really, really. Okay, food review. That was it. Okay, real fast, we can review the water biscuits. They're tasteless, so. But what we had with the hummus, this red stuff in the lemon, that was good. That was good. I liked it. Okay, let's swim. Don't drink Kini.
Bottom line, Kini sucks.
Okay, I think I'm gonna be brave enough and actually go for a swim for a couple of minutes. Are you brave?
Nah,
You're not brave.
nah. I will watch you.
You will watch me.
I just like to watch you guys.
I just like to watch you guys.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the sun to come out. Actually, after drinking a bit of Kini, you can do anything. Everything is possible with Kini. I mean, you don't care if you die or not.
Throwing up is very possible with Kini.
It's so cold. But I have to be brave. Whoa. She's laughing at me. It's not bad at all. Once you're in there, it's nice. There's no one here. Look at this. It's not the most secluded beach ever, but still, not many people. Really nice. Okay, homeless hair, don't care here. Can you imagine going to the airport with this homeless hair? It's gonna be a nice day. Oh, look at this angry cigarette butt. Very angry. Yes, his brothers are there. Okay. Let's just go back to the hotel, have our luggages back, and maybe buy some pasticcio from Butterville or something. Wow! Spot the jellyfish. Painful sting? No sting, or mild. So cool. Yeah, good to know that they are swimming here after you taken a bath. Otherwise, probably I would have been scared. Okay, let's go. We don't have much time. Homeless here. Okay, got our luggages. Still here, still selling fake doors. And guess what? I saw this with a lot of balls, like open wide. Ew. There was a lot of funny ones, like You Call My World Is Not So Funny. I ate a bug. That's so random. It's only 50 cents. So, let's do it. You want to go first?
Okay.
Let's try your luck. Okay, lucky girl. She got a blue one. A blue one with...
Ooh. Okay, it's not that funny. You go.
Okay, I go. I got green.
Is this good?
I don't feel so good.
I'm thinking it fits.
Does it even jump? Oh shit.
Doesn't do anything.
Is this cold? Is
Yeah.
it chewing gum?
Yeah.
Also, instead of chewing it, I just throw it on the floor.
Yeah, you cannot chew it now.
Yeah, very clever. Okay, so you... Ew. And I don't feel so good.
Yeah.
Oh, they go together. You eat something Ew.
Ugh. And then you don't think so good.
Then you don't feel so good. Okay, we are late as we're probably gonna miss the flight. If so, we're gonna film being complainy again. If not, I don't know. Let's film some clouds from the airplane. Enjoy the clouds if they exist. The best souvenir you can buy here in Malta is a 6-pack of Diet Kini. You can choose the regular Kini, which we already know it's crap. Now you can have Diet Kini.
Which is, I'm sure, even worse, like with every light product. You have a product to begin with, but then you make it diet. I'm sure this is not drinkable.
You guys want to try it?
No.
You guys want to watch another Kini review video with Diet Kini? Diet Kini versus normal Kini comparison. And 8 cans of Chisk. Oh, there's a real fast piece of advice that I want to give you regarding Chisk. It's pretty good, but you have to drink it really fast. After 5 minutes, kind of lose its healing properties. So yeah, Chisk is alright. Chisk is alright. Diet Kini is probably f***ed. Some nice liquors. Okay, maybe we should catch that flight. Oh, everything looks so nice there.
It's been such a funny story. You missed the flight because you wanted to try Diet Kings.
Yeah, Diet Kini. Kini forever.
Ja.